is temporary or if I ever find someone better than me, will you leave me? Don't leave him! You will never find someone to sing like this. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful song, guys. I'm reading from subtitles. Kapsara S Dio love it. Namara, why do you love me? Okay, hello guys. Peace from Africa. In case you're watching from Garo Hills, Namengama, Garo people. This is your African boy Gabs Gabi. And I started reacting to Garo song before. I usually react to Khasi song, Panar song. So we are now dealing with Garo people. So I reacted to a lot of Garo song. You can go and check it out. So the today reaction video is Kraja official music video from Saldorik, guys. It's a suggested music video and I check it out. Also it has an English subtitle, so definitely I'm going to understand and I'm gonna sing. And for sure, yeah, let me see the talent of Garo people. You can tell me also more about those people since it is my first time reacting to them. So all I'm requesting for is just kindly subscribe to my channel because next year I'm planning to visit Garo Hills. Recently only I've been in Meghalaya, but I explored the East, West, Jantia Hills and Shillong, but I didn't get time to go to Garo Hills because it was like 6 hours from Shillong. It was very far and no one to help me that time. But I promise next time I will definitely go to Garo Hill, guys. So make sure to subscribe because when I go to Meghalaya, you will watch my vlogs in this channel. Mitela, thank you. Let's go. Kraja S Dio. Let's go. You can tell me about this place, guys. Since it's Garo song, I think it might be in Garo Hills, right? But I'm not sure. You can tell me because I'm seeing beautiful nature, beautiful people. Love it.
May naman dyan ka sa ang nara Supaja Nampaja Nang niyong nan kraja ang nara Masinasaka ng gisuko may konchansya Dagdag sanan ka sa ingama
Whether this is love, is temporary or if I ever find someone better than me, will you leave me? Don't leave him! You will never find someone to sing like this. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful song, guys. I'm reading from subtitles. Kapsara S Dio love it. Namara, why do you love me? Not good looking, I am good enough. Ampaja. I don't even deserve to be yours. Oh my God. Whether you love me, is it true or no? I don't know. From the depth of my heart, this would have been so good. This love is forever. This everything. Yes, it is true. I'm just so moved. I don't have even God. I can't live a lifestyle like others. Can you still accept me? Please accept me. Can you still accept me? Kansara. Wait a minute, wait guys. Oh my God. This is really one of the most beautiful Garo song I'm watching today, guys. You know, I will tell you which other song I reacted to it later at the end of this video, but just know this is gonna be one of my favorite Garo song, guys. And I also love Arara, that song also, I love it, but I didn't get to understand that Arara song, but I just love because it's a hit song, it has a nice beat. But this one, oh my gosh, I'm now falling in love. This is so So touching, man. Let's go. I love it. Start. You have to take her, bro.
바라크겐 가사코 낙나네 심즙창알긴 야와데 마이 바카이라 송어 막내 차어데 타지마할 건 르긴 낙나데
Taj Mahal. Oh my god, just for you.
르긴 낙나데 가사라 나아라
Kangsara Nahara. Kangsara Nahara.
스파자 남파자 난 니용 난 kraja angara 난 니용 난 kraja angara
I don't even deserve to be yours, Kangsara. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, what a beautiful song. This is so beautiful, guys. I really love this song. This is one of the best. So today I learned new words from Garo. It's like Kangsara and Nanghara. It's like dear beloved and why do you love me? Nanghara, Kangsara. Am I right? Is my pronunciation okay? Okay. So let's just talk about the music, guys. The music is without any doubt. This is so amazing. And what I love the most in this music, you know, guys, those people like everything was shown perfectly and purely naturally. Even the equipment they're using, the guitar they're using is also local things which is made naturally, handmade, human man-made only. And the beauty of the nature, guys. Oh my god, this like exactly what he's expressing and this is what he's showing. This is one of the most beautiful song and believe me, everyone will love this song. Whether you're broken, whether you're single, or whether you are taken, you will definitely love this song. As just like me, this is my favorite song, Kraja, Kangsara, Nanghara. Oh my god, Garo people have this talented people. Oh my god. Now I'll keep reacting more and more, guys. These guys, they're so talented. The singer, guys. Believe me, the singer of this song, you have a bright future, bro. Just keep inspiring the people. This is so lovely and so touching. The beat and the sound, oh my gosh. You just have to play this kind of music when you're about to sleep and you will see your sleep. You will see yourself in the next day peacefully and you will wake up fresh and mind peace. Thank you so much. Love from Africa, guys. Mitela, don't forget, guys, kindly subscribe, put on the bell. We are only left with 10K to make 1 lakh subscribers, guys. So if you're not part of the family, kindly show some love. Subscribe now for more vlogs and reaction video only from Northeast. Love you all. Thank you, Mitela. Till next time.